Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to obtain your ClickDesigns API key so that you can integrate it with Groove and WordPress and also install and use the Chrome extension for ClickDesigns. So if you want to check out ClickDesigns and get a copy of it for yourself, go to onlinemarketingengaged.me/ClickDesigns. So since I'm going to be needing the ClickDesigns API key throughout this training, I'm going to show you how to obtain that information right now. So log into your ClickDesigns back office, come up here, hover over your icon, select Settings, select API key. Here is your personal API key. Copy that API key and put it into a document that you have access to. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is integrate ClickDesigns with Groove. So I'll go over to my Groove back office and I'll hover over my icon, click there, click on Settings and Billing, and across the top here I'll slide over, click on Integrations, click on the plus, integration type, use the pull down, select ClickDesigns. For the description, I'll put in here ClickDesigns and then paste in the API key that you just obtained from ClickDesigns and click on Save. So it says here you have successfully set up ClickDesign integration. Exit out of that and you'll see here your ClickDesign shows up here in the integration section. So now ClickDesigns is integrated with your Groove platform. So the next thing I'm going to do is configure ClickDesigns into a WordPress site. So log into your back office of a WordPress site. Come down here to Plugins. Add new, and right here it says search plugins. I can type in ClickDesigns and it shows up right here. Click on install now, click on activate, and then you'll see ClickDesigns shows up right here in your menu option. And if I scroll down here, I'll see ClickDesigns, and if I click on ClickDesigns here, I'm taken to this setup page. And again, they're asking me for an API key. So I'm going to click on do you have an API key? Again, copy your API key out of your document, paste it in here, click on submit, and it says API key added successfully. And that's it. So now when you add a post or create a page on your WordPress site, you'll have access to your ClickDesigns account. So for instance, if I wanted to add a new post, if I click on posts, add new, and click on add media, I have a new tab up here called ClickDesigns. If I click on that, I will see all the designs that I have in my personal ClickDesigns account, and I can import them in for my post. And the same for pages. If I click on pages, add new, and click on add media, again, the ClickDesigns tab comes up and I can import any of my existing images. Alright, so that's how you would install the ClickDesigns WordPress plugin to enable you to access your ClickDesigns layouts for posting and page creation. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to integrate ClickDesigns as a Chrome extension. So make sure you're logged into your Google account that you normally use, and of course you have to be using the Chrome browser. So go back to your dashboard at ClickDesigns, and then you'll see here activate Chrome extension. Select that. Click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, click on Close here, and you'll see that the CD did come up here, but then it went away. We have to pin the icon to this extension bar here. So click on this puzzle piece and come down here to where you see ClickDesigns and click the pin so it turns blue to pin it. And then it got added up here on your extension bar. So if you click on the ClickDesigns extension, it'll ask you for an API key. So it says, do you have an API key? Yep, click on that. And then down here it shows you how to find the API key if you don't know where it is. I already showed you how to find it in the beginning of this video, and I have it in a document that I can just copy and paste. Copy that out of my document, come back in here, paste it in, click on submit. And then all my layouts in ClickDesigns shows up here. And if I want to use them in anything, all I would do is just download them to my computer and put them in whatever application I want to use them in. So by default it comes up in my Designs tab. There's also a Bundles tab, and there's also a Custom tab. Alright, so that concludes installing the ClickDesigns Chrome Extension. Alright, so that concludes this video on how to obtain your ClickDesigns API key, how to integrate ClickDesigns with Groove, how to integrate ClickDesigns using the WordPress plugin, and how to integrate ClickDesigns using a Chrome extension. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.